Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're testing a recipe from Bigger Bolder Baking. We're testing the mint chocolate chip ice cream recipe, so let's get started. The video that we use will be linked in the description. The recipe says to put some heavy whipping cream in a bowl. Next, it says to whip up the heavy whipping cream. We whipped it until it was light and fluffy. Next it says to add the condensed milk. We made our own condensed milk, and we used the recipe from Bigger Bolder Baking. After we added the condensed milk, we beat it all up. Then we added the chopped mint like it said in the recipe. We beated it once again. Then we added a couple of drops of green food coloring. As stated in this video, this step is optional. Next, we added chocolate chips. In the video, it said to use dark chocolate chips. We used half dark and half light chocolate chips. Then we mixed it with a spoon. Then we added it to a glass container so it would freeze. Scoop the ice cream. We recommend letting it thaw before scooping it. This mint ice cream. Comment down below if you would like more testing videos. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!